What's up, beauties? Hello. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Fresh, and today I'm bringing you guys something really interesting I'm doing with my hair. So I'm just showing you guys like what it turned out to be. It looks so good. I'm actually glad I tried this hairstyle. So let's get into how I did it. So we're going to be starting off with this small rubber bands, the black ones, and we're going to be using a white tooth comb, and we're also going to be using the Kinky hair. We're also going to be using shea butter. So this is me just trying to unravel my hair. I already pre-sectioned my hair into different, sections. I have 16 sections and I have 16 pieces of the Kinky hair, and I'm going to be using as is. I'm not going to be cutting it or stretching it or anything like that. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is to detangle my hair. Just as you can see, I'm finger detangling my hair, and then I'm going in with a white tooth comb just to even out everything and make sure there are no knots. Then I'm going to divide that section into 2 equal parts. As you can see, I'm going to take out all of the bands that they used to separate the Kinky hair, and then I'm putting the Kinky hair in between the two of my hair that I parted. And now I'm going to hold it down, push down the Kinky hair, and then use the rubber bands to hold my hair together. So this is really very easy. It's a knotless twist and it works so good. As you can see, I'm going to pull onto my hair to make sure that it is secured neatly before I start my twist. And then I'm also going to make sure that the length of the Kinky hair are, reasonably the same before I start twisting. I'm going to take one hair and join it to the Kinky hair, and the other, to the Kinky hair as well. And I'm going to twist loosely. You're going to make sure your twists are not tight. You're not holding your hair tight. And you also have to make sure that your hair is secured with the Kinky hair. You want to make sure that your hair is not popping out from your twist. So you need to make sure you're looking at it to be sure that you're doing things you're supposed to do correctly. So when you're done with your Kinky hair, it's supposed to look something like this. And then I just repeat the process, and yeah, that's how I did the hair. So I'm just going to just shut up and let you guys watch and, enjoy what I have been able to create.